Hey babes, have you ever wished your nails could go from zero to full snatched in under 10 minutes? Girl, press on nails are literally the new obsession no one told you about. No more long salon waits, no more $80+ fills, and definitely no more broken nails messing up your vibe. These are cute, quick, affordable, and they stay on way longer than people think. Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you how to take your nails from crusty, dusty to fabulous and classy. To be honest with you guys, I'm a little torn to be taking off this set. This set was so gorgeous and I got so many compliments. I had this set on for a full month in a few days and this set was super durable, super good quality. None of my nails fell off, like these were super tea. And I left these nails on a good amount of time too, because do you see all that nail growth? Like, yes, clock it. I want you to clock it. Now right here, I'm just pulling off this polar pinky nail because she was ready to come off. She was holding on for dear life though, but she been ready to come off since yesterday. I'm just going to soak off these nails. I'm just going to use acetone. I take a small cotton ball and just kind of thin it out so it's not so thick. And I don't have the cute little bowls to put my acetone in, but if you have one, hey, even better. When I used to remove my nails, it used to take me so long. It would take me forever, and I would literally dread taking off my nails. But the new way that I apply my nails, they're way healthier, and it's just way better for my nails. My nails are not shredded. So if you struggle with removing your nails safely and healthy, continue to watch this video because I think I may have something that may help you. So when I finally removed the nails, I noticed how healthy they were. They grew out quite a bit and they were very strong. My nails were very healthy and I was really excited for a bit because I was like, I took my nails off. It was super fast, super easy. I didn't have no damage. Like, yes, I was super happy. Now I am just going to push back my cuticles. All you need is a cuticle pusher, but I always do this when I put on a new set. It just makes your nails look so much nicer. So I kind of realized that I didn't show you guys all the supplies that you would need. And if you don't have all of them, you could just improvise. So I'm using an electric drill, but if you don't have one, you could use a manual nail file. You're also going to need like a buffer just to buff off the shine. I'm using a straight nail edge and a nail clipper. Just a brush to get off the glue and everything. And also a little spray bottle of alcohol. And I know that it kind of looks like I'm being rough with my nail drill, but I'm barely scraping the surface. This is only to get the cuticle, the dead cuticle off and just get off the shine on my nails. And it just makes it super even. So if you're using a regular nail file, you would do the same thing. Make sure you are not too rough and going so deep on your nails. So after clipping my nails down a little bit, and you guys, I was so sad because my nails was super healthy, but it's all good. So I was just trying to decide what type of set that I wanted to do because Thanksgiving is like 2.5 weeks away and I didn't want to pull out my showstoppers. Like, is anybody else like me? You decide what type of look you're going for depending on the holidays. Like, if you know, you know. But some of these were the options. These were gorgeous, gorgeous nails and I got all of these from Shein. Super tea. I just love the quality of these nails. They are very strong, super good quality. Like, these are not your average press-on nails that you buy from inside the store. I just love me some good press-ons. Like, look at these nails. I love how each nail has some type of razzle dazzle, a lollipop star. Literally, all of my nails are so gorgeous. Like, this is so good. There is no reason for me to go to no nail salon and pay 80 plus dollars when I could get the same look, same durability for much, much cheaper. Like, it just don't make sense to me, y'all. And I think these are going to be the next set that I put on because it has 2025 bling all on them. Like, 2025 is almost over, so I think I'm definitely going to have to rock these my next set. But instead of going with my showstoppers, I decided to go with something cute, classy that I know that's going to get me through the week or two. I decided to use these BT Art nails. Now, these BT Art nails are honestly decent nails. This is actually the first brand I started using when I realized, like, press-on nails, they got something with these. These are really good. I bought the whole kit because I didn't know what I needed, but I do believe that you could just actually buy the nails. But this is everything that it comes with. It comes with some fingernail protectors, top coat, builder gel, and glue. I do not like the glue. I like everything in this kit but the glue. You will see what type of glue that I end up using though. And speaking of glue, the glue matters so much. Like, when I first started using these nails and I was using this glue, I used to say that press-on nails sucked. I don't see how people are even wearing press-ons until I found out, oh, it's the glue that I'm using. The glue sucks. So definitely, y'all, pick a really good glue that you like and works with your nails. Now I'm just going to buff my nails a little bit, like get it real smooth, get anything that I may have missed, and then I'm going to spray it with some alcohol or some acetone. And this hack right here that I'm about to show y'all has saved my nails so much. Like, it literally took my nails from rags to riches. Now, you see these sticky tabs that we be throwing away for Lord knows why. Seriously now, like, I thought you take the sticky tab, put it on your nail, then you take the nail and put it on top of it. And I thought that's how your nail stays on. I always threw away them sticky tabs because they never used to work for real. Like, I know I'm not the only one, y'all. I don't know why it did not dawn on me that you are supposed to use both the sticky tabs and glue. I came up to this conclusion because I'm like, I can't keep damaging my nails using these press-ons. I love them, but my nails be tore up because that glue be sitting directly on my nails. See, and that's why I said I always dread taking them off because it will always take me so long, and in the end my nails would be so damaged, dry, brittle, and breaking. But what you want to do is you want to take those sticky tabs and put them on each one of your nails. Measure them out, of course, and make sure it fits each nail. Also, you want to go ahead and do both hands at once. And here's a tip: don't take off the top plastic piece until you're actually ready to put on the nail. No kidding, this method actually saved my nails, and I will forever put on my press-on nails just like this. So, quick story time on why I started doing my nails like this. So, I used to put the glue on my nails and just put the nails right on top of it, you know, the normal way. Well, this day I was at work and I was pushing something and I jabbed my nail. When I tell y'all, I felt instant stinging pain, like pain so bad it lasted for at least a couple days. I was just thinking, like, dang, it really feel like I went to the shop and got my nails done and broke an acrylic or something. Like, that's how bad it was. But I had basically split my nail in half horizontally. It grew out and everything just fine, but I realized it happened because I didn't have that barrier between my nail and the press on. So you can absolutely keep putting the glue directly on your nails, but if you want healthier nails and if you want it to be easier when it's time to remove them, I would definitely recommend that you try this sticky tab method. And it also doesn't make your nails more bulkier. That's what I thought it would do, but it didn't. And I am like super impressed. Also, if the top plastic isn't trying to come off, don't forcefully push it off. Kind of go from the other end and gently pull it off because you do not want to mess up, you know, that flat base. Now all you want to do is put the glue all over your nail. Make sure you fill it up really good. I like how the sticky tab makes the glue less runny. I find that it kind of sticks, you know, to the glue. Like, it's really good. It also helps me if I have like a really bright light, you know, it makes it so much easier to see. So with these press-on nails, you do have to put on the builder gel that it comes with. I would not recommend skipping this step because this is actually what makes these nails super strong and durable. Then you will cure for 60 seconds and you will continue with the gel top coat and also cure that for 60 seconds. The final step of these would just to be to file them to make them nice and crisp. This is my favorite part. And then I'm just going to put on some cuticle oil and rub them in. And yeah, we are done. Super easy. I actually love these. And yeah, just like that, we have ourselves some gorgeous nails. We didn't have to break the bank for these. They were super easy to do. And these will probably last me probably for a month. But like I said, Thanksgiving is coming up, so I may switch them. We gonna see. But if this video helped you out in any way, please don't forget to like this video. Send this video to your mom, your girl cousins, aunties, anyone who would like to start wearing press-on nails but just don't know how. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I definitely have more great videos coming up and you do not want to miss any of them. All right, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.